When I was a private chef, chips, dips, and vegetables were one of those things that were always stocked in the house that I worked at. There was always a variation of like a hummus bean situation, like a salsa in the fridge at all times. So when a buddy asked me to make 3 dips in 3 minutes, I took him up on the challenge. The criteria for the dips, they gotta be simple, they must come together quickly, specifically in 3 minutes or less, and of course, they must be forking delicious. All right, let's start off with the most time-consuming dip that we're gonna make today. All right, so this first one's gonna be a Moroccan-inspired chermoula. It's a very popular spice paste or blend from that area. But we are gonna dipify things by adding it to some fresh tomato. All right, first dip. Setting a timer for 3 minutes. Can we do this? All right, so we're gonna get going on the garlic. I got a trusty garlic press to make my life a lot easier. A lot of garlic in this recipe. But don't worry, we're gonna temper it down with some acid. Whew. And lemon juice. It's gonna kinda take away a lot of the bite for that garlic. All right, now we are going to grate some tomatoes. All right, this is a fun way to kind of get the pulp out of tomatoes without getting a lot of the skin. You're gonna inevitably get some skin, but all right, 2 minutes, baby. Making good time. Give me that tomato pulp. Sick. All right, onion for our tomato pulp, because we are in Morocco and they do love onion. Just dice it up real nice like. In that goes. Huh, huh, huh. 1 minute left, 1 minute left. Chilies. If you don't like spicy stuff, just leave this out. I'm gonna do maybe half of a chili, kind of just roughly chop it up because we ain't got time for a brunoise. Some fresh cilantro in our olive oil. We got our spices, cumin, paprika, and a little cinnamon. And then of course, very important, saffron. Just a wee pinch. It's like 7 Bitcoins worth of saffron. Salt, pepper, 20 seconds. I think we got this. Bam, now we mix. And this is done. It's literally all you do. Spices, tomato, some good olive oil, garlic, of course. And that's our chermoula, baby. In the nick o' tea. Let's go. Smells great. That's good. The acid's nice. All those tomatoes, all that lemon juice, just needs a pinch of salt, and that's ready. Spicy and refreshing chermoula dip. All right, this next one I like to call any bean hummus. Why? Because, well, you can make hummus with any bean. Traditionally, it's made with garbanzo beans, but here I have some cannelli white beans. This could be black beans, these could be lima beans. You could even do this with peas. That'd be pretty cool and interesting and weird. Anyways. 3, 2, 1. All right, so literally everything's gonna be blended in this right now. So I'm just gonna take all my rinsed beans, pop those in. Cool. Herb, some cilantro, kind of like partially chopped. We're gonna do a little pinch of the chili flake because we like a zing in this household. Of course, our garlic, which I'm gonna kind of like partially chop up just to kind of help it whiz up faster. That piece. Cool, just kind of a rough fine chop. All right, garlic, important. Again, with the lemon juice, gotta have the acid. I like a lot of acid. We're gonna do a lot. What do we got? Making good time, making good time. A little bit of tahini. This is just sesame paste. You can do as much or as little as you like. If you like that classic hummus taste, you might want to add a little more. You can also just, not add it. That's another option. Big pinch of salt. A few cracks of good old BP. Yeah, we're gonna whiz it up like that. Now we're gonna start drizzling in olive oil to kind of emulsify it. Whew. All right, looking nice. Good on the acid. A little more salt. All right, and literally, that's that. How much time we got? 45 seconds.
Gotta put it in a bowl.
Oh, fine. Fine, man. You can make as much or as little of this as you want. You can even mix up types of beans and put a couple different types of beans in there. Schwing. Any bean hummus. This one made with cannelli beans. Oh yeah, look at that. With time to spare. That's 2, baby. On to the last one. Last but certainly not least, tzatziki. You know it, you love it. You probably had it when you're eating gyro at a Greek place. Here's the thing, it's not just good on gyro. You can dip vegetables in it. It's really good with pita. It's just an all-around great dip, great sauce. And it comes together like super simply, and you might even have everything you need to make it in your fridge already. All right. 3 minutes. I think we got this, but who knows? Might chop my hand off. So, we are going to grate some cucumber right into this here cheesecloth. Cucumber, grater thing, box grater. I want nice long pieces, so I'm kind of going at an angle here. Not even worried about peeling it. We ain't got time for that. Cool. And the reason we do this is because when you wring it out, that's all water that could potentially dilute and deflavoritize, which is a word, our dip. We're gonna take that little cucumber ball, throw it right in the bowl, and on top of that, some good old plain whole fat Greek yogurt, just thick yogurt, about a cup, maybe a cup and a half. Plop that in, fantastic. Yogurt, tangy, acidic, but we do want it to be super tangy and acidic, so a little more lemon juice. It's like the main theme of the day, lemon juice. Boom. A little bit of garlic, another main theme of the day. You can put more than 1 clove if you want in, if you're a big garlic person. And to me, arguably what makes tzatziki is dill. This is just some dill that I roughly chopped. We're gonna pop that in. I like a lot of herbs, putting a lot of that in. Then some cracked black pea, 6 or 7 cracks. And then salt. We're actually gonna need a fair amount of salt for this because yogurt is very thick and fatty, and it's cold, and cold food you need to season more. So don't be scared with the salt. If you don't have enough salt in this, it's not gonna taste that good. Then you just mix it all around. Ooh, almost forgot. Olive oil, just a wee bit. I don't know, a couple tablespoons. It's important. And then we mixy. Beautiful. Hell yeah. Good over the sink. Oh yeah. There she blows. 3 dips in 3 minutes. We did it! We did it together. High five. All the things. Just come say what up in Discord. Come introduce yourself. Say hi. We always talking and chilling in there. Like the video if you like the video. Sub to the channel if you're new here. We do like to keep these videos ad-free, so if you can support on Patreon, that would be amazing. All these links are all below. I'll shut up now, and until next time. Later.